I've been feeding them for 14 years. I go over to the station for my paper, and the birds follow me over to the station. People don't talk to you, the pigeons do. They coo at me and everything. I don't do it for myself, I do it for all my sins and for God to help me through life. You know. But they're the loveliest pals in the whole bloody world. Because they're all faithful and just sweethearts.